It's cold out here, folks. It is Thursday afternoon. It finally quit sleeting and raining and snowing. I still see a couple fine snowflakes. It's been about 33, 34 degrees. Now the wind's up. It's still spitting snow, but the wind chill is 21. Kind of out of the wind here. I can't sit in the house no more. Can't watch no more TV. So I got my 391, I got the big Husky, but I think I'm gonna take a 391 and I'm gonna saw some of this smaller stuff up. I got everything covered up over there as far as the splitter and the conveyor. So I don't really want to uncover it, because we may get some more freezing rain in here this afternoon. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cutting, and I'm gonna see how that turned out. You may get a video in the morning. Maybe, I don't know yet, so stay tuned. Man, I love this 391. This 391 Stihl. I love to run it. You got 18-inch, 20-inch pieces, no problem. I'm running the Duke's chains that I told everybody about. I just called them a while ago before I came down here. I was inquiring about a 28-inch bar, but everything they have for a 28 was sold out right now. So I gotta wait for them to get some more in stock. Then I'm gonna get a 28 and I'm gonna run their chains. So if you hadn't tried them yet, for $31 for a 20-inch chain, you get 3 of them for $31. You can't go wrong with it. I love them. I have probably cut I don't know, 3 to 5 face cords of wood on this chain already, and I hadn't sharpened it yet. It's been clean wood. but it's still cutting. As you can tell, that's all I was cutting. Now I got the, if you notice when I'm cutting my wood, I try to make a path for my feet. If I get into trouble or a log is rolling back, I try to make it a scapegoat for me. A lot of times you can, a lot of times it don't give you a chance to do it. But I try to clear a path in case something rolls back on me.
Out in the woody yard, we ain't breaking sweat. Life's a breeze now, don't you fret. With the Wolfe Ridge splitter on the scene, turning logs into dreams. Working smarter and not so hard, got the conveyor moving on guard. Logs roll easy, we just sit back, letting that machine pick up the slack. Sun is shining, birds are singing sweet. Our woody yard's the neighborhood treat. With the flip of a switch, we got it made. Wolfe Ridge is our ace of spades. Working smarter and not so hard, got the conveyor moving on guard. Logs roll easy, we just sit back, letting that machine pick up the slack. Sun is shining, birds are singing sweet. Our woody yard's the neighborhood treat. With a flip of a switch, we got it made. Wolfe Ridge is our ace of spades. Working smarter and not so hard, got the conveyor moving on guard. Logs roll easy, we just sit back, letting that machine pick up the slack. That machine, it's a perfect pair. Efficiency fills the air, chopping and stacking without the strain, reaping the glory with minimal gain. Neighbors wonder how we keep so cool. That's our secret, simple world rule. Working smart's the way to stay. Every single day's a holiday.
Folks, I don't have a better way to explain the difference between a Wolfe Ridge and a store-bought unit that I used to run. I told you a minute ago I was just going to bring that wood over here. I didn't want to uncover this. The sun come out, and with them other store-bought splitters, it's work. You got to constantly fight it. You're constantly picking it up. You're constantly moving it. You're constantly splitting it in half, trying to get it manhandled so you can put it on a machine. With this Wolfe Ridge, with a lifting table, all that is taken out of the equation. Put a 6-way on here. It's just beautiful going through. It goes in this conveyor and going up. I just didn't want to leave this wood laying on the ground. And with this sun's out, I knew it wasn't going to take me 15, 20 minutes. I could split all I had here, finish this bunker up. No time, very little work. It's not work, it's play, it's enjoyment, it's stress reliever. I say it time after time, and I hope you believe what I say. When I say it's fun, it ain't work. It's our stress reliever. And even though Rosie, my wife's not down here, she's up there messing with her phone. She's having a problem with the phone. She's on the phone with Verizon. I can come down here, cut up some wood, and bring it over here instead of dumping it. I just unloaded it, uncovered this, cranked it up, had a little fun. That's the biggest difference. Store-bought splitters, they work perfectly. I worked up a many a face cord of wood with it, but it took a toll on my body. This Wolfe Ridge, it saves my body. And I wish I'd had one 10, 20 years ago. But I'm proud as hell to have one right now. This is a machine that takes all the work out of it, gives you pleasure to run, and again, it's fun to run. So, I'm gonna let you go this time. I don't have no more wood, and I'm not going to cut no more up. So we're gonna go to the house and see if the old lady got her phone fixed and check on Rosie. So once again, have a great weekend, folks. Hope you enjoyed this splitting. Have as much as I did. This is Rick Outdoors. Appreciate y'all.